Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome once again if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Health authorities will be clamping down on establishments which do not follow through with the COVID-19 protocols. This follows a TVJ News exclusive last evening where we highlighted that some supermarkets are not adequately cleaning frequently touched surfaces. The health department says this is a requirement to renew the permit they need to operate.
We put the issue to the Chief Public Health Inspector for St. Catherine, Grayson Hutchinson. He says inspections are being done across the parish to ensure compliance. Mr. Hutchinson says adherence to the COVID-19 sanitation protocols in these establishments is now a part of the certification process.
It is extremely important that cleaning and disinfection is done, and the items that are to be cleaned and disinfected would include door handles, door knobs, light switches, trolleys, hand baskets, point of sale machines, telephones, cash registers, all items which may be contaminated and poses a risk of transmission.
Mr. Hutchinson says the establishments must also provide a breakdown of their cleaning regime.
The operators are supposed to have a cleaning schedule. The cleaning schedule would state the frequency with which it is done. It's supposed to state also the persons assigned and the particular active ingredient which is to be used to undertake that activity.
So, what if they don't comply?
Establishment may be ordered closed. The proprietor for the establishment may also be prosecuted, and there are occasions where the department would give the facility time to remedy or to correct the breach, depending on the nature of the breach.
Meanwhile, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is encouraging citizens to take action when they see these breaches.
Well, if they have information, they can call their local health center or hospital or 888 One Love number, and then we will follow.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.